Question 6. Harriet Hare and Turbo Tortoise want to cross the finish line together on their 12-mile woodland race. Turbo sets off at 8:15 a.m. and trots at a constant speed of 4 miles per hour. Given that Harriet runs at a constant speed of 8 miles per hour, at what time should she set off? So I'm going to draw this and put this into a table. We know the distance for both of them is the same. We know their speeds. But we don't know their time, so we can work out what their time is. Some people know this as a triangle. Some people know that speed equals distance. Oh, I'm going to go off the page. Let's try that again. Divided by time. They do the same job. So if we want to know what time is, we have to rearrange this formula, or we use the triangle and we cover the t, and we see that distance divided by speed. This is distance. This is time. And this is speed. And we know that this is in miles. This is in miles per hour. This is hours. So therefore, this has to be hours. Oh, miles per hours there. So if we're looking at time, time equals distance divided by speed. So we can work out the time for the hare. The hare will be distance, which is 12, speed, which is 8, which gives us 3 halves. So this for the hare is 3 halves, also known as 1.5, and this will be in hours. It's not in minutes, it is in hours. And then the tortoise time, (12 miles, 4 miles per hour). That means it takes the tortoise 3 hours. So if the tortoise starts at 8:15, it needs to get to the finish line at the point by which the hare gets to the finish line. And therefore, what we're looking at is adding that 1.5 hours. 3 hours subtract 1.5 hours is 1.5 hours. So we add 1 hour and 1.5 hours to this, which takes us to 9:45. And this is the time at which the hare starts.